least for the next week. Let's take you to this shot. Beautiful picture at sunset, obviously, by Jim and Karen Young out at Seaside. That's Tillamook Rock and the lighthouse. That's about a mile offshore, so they're zoomed in pretty good. Love the composition, though, with the sun, especially with that cloud in front of the sun. So thanks once again, Jim and Karen, for more great imagery from the Oregon coast. This is from the Cascades, and you can see Mount Jefferson looking south from our Skycam at the beautiful and historic Timberline Lodge. And the westerly flow obvious with these clouds zipping from west to east across the Cascade passes. There is wildfire smoke and haze farther south, but not around Mount Hood and not around Portland. 80 was our high today, 80 in Scappoose. Hood River 77, and 90s were hard to find, which is rare for late July. 92 in the Rogue Valley, 95 in Malheur County. Everybody else in the 80s inland, 60s and 70s on the Oregon coast. Now, look at the satellite imagery. We had low clouds this morning. We won't tomorrow morning. If we do, it's going to be really patchy. We may get some fog along the coast. Fires still pushing smoke, especially into Deschutes County and the counties of southern Oregon, too. And you can see the smoke from the Bedrock fire mainly getting pushed south and east right now and forecast to be that way through tomorrow into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And smoke also from the Flat Fire in Curry County is doing the same thing. So we remain smoke free in the northwest half of the state. Air quality is great here. Central Oregon, not so great in the unhealthy for sensitive group category. In a couple spots, just plain unhealthy. So they're battling wildfire smoke in Central Oregon. We will have a beautiful day tomorrow, get up to 82, 73 noontime, and sunset tomorrow at 8:46. Okay, the weather system that brought us those sprinkles yesterday is now pushed into BC, and it's going to stay there. And in its wake, there's just weak low pressure offshore, which is kind of perfect because it keeps us from getting too hot. It's not bringing us any rain, which I know a lot of people would love to see, but we're going to keep on with this sunny, mild weather with very low humidity for several days to come, right on through the week, as a matter of fact. Hey, we'll zip around to the other side of the globe, and you can check out Typhoon Doksuri. Basically, it was a Category 4 hurricane earlier in the day, northern tip of the Philippines here. It is headed towards China. It's weakened a bit. It's down to 125 miles an hour. Should be a tropical storm. When it makes landfall, but that doesn't mean it won't produce flooding rains across mainland China in the days to come. For us, we keep this cool weather going through the weekend. Then we begin to see a bit of a shift. Mild through the weekend. Then, as we go to next week, we'll warm up. Notice how the flow, the distance between these color bands becomes greater. That means the winds are lighter. And it's also going to get warmer. Now, I don't think it's going to be an extended period of super hot weather, but we'll keep an eye on that. That also could provide us with a thunderstorm threat again over Oregon with that southerly flow aloft. It is 67 degrees right now, freezing level at 13,000 feet. On the coast tomorrow, just a beautiful day. Sunshine, some patchy morning fog. Highs up around 70 degrees in most spots. In the valleys, we make the mid-80s tomorrow, but lows down around 50. So a nice cool start to the day. Cascades will be super comfortable. 60s at the ski area, 73 at Govey. Central and eastern Oregon, that's where we have areas of smoke and haze because of the wildfires, but not too hot in the 80s, not 90s. In the gorge, west winds up to 25 miles an hour for the east side of the gorge. And for Portland, sunshine tomorrow, 82, so a couple degrees warmer than today. We jump to 84 on Thursday, then back down to about 81 or 82 for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And there's a 90 next Tuesday as we roll into the month of August, which is not unexpected, but still a great week ahead.